Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Jamie. Welcome. So today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing some spring Easter decor, and I'm really excited because this is something I've been patiently waiting to do. And what better time than the day of spring and spring showers, of course. So today's one of them gloomy days. We might as well just do it and get it over with. If you guys enjoyed this video and would like to see more, please consider subscribing and don't forget to click the little bell so you're always notified every time I post a new video. So stick with me so we can go ahead and get decorating. So first I'm going to start off doing this tray with some tulips that I got from Hobby Lobby. And let me tell you, these tulips are gorgeous. They are so realistic and they are very hard to get. I tried getting them last year really close to Easter and they only had like 2. So I didn't get them last year, but I was patiently waiting for this year to pick up a few of them. And then I am decorating with this candlestick from Dollar Tree and some greens that I just broke off to just stick underneath the candle, and a few little, spritz here and there by the bunny with one of those carrots from the Dollar Tree as well. I absolutely love this tray decor. It is just absolutely gorgeous. I love these little cubes that I made in a previous video. If you guys are interested in these, I will leave them linked below for you guys so you can go check that out, how I made them. I just think they're the perfect little touch to add to any part of your decoration. It can go by itself or you could add it with any other decor like I'm doing here. They're just beautiful and I think you guys will like them. Okay, so this is another one of those decorations that I made in a previous video. So if you guys want to see that, it's the same video as the cubes, but I just absolutely love this neutral banner and it looks perfect in my room. So now I'm just going to put this home sign and this Easter bunny that I got at Target in the dollar section. Both of them were $3 and the bunny, I just painted it white. Seriously, the best time to buy decorations is at the end of the season. I got these cute little bunny pillows from Kirkland's last year for $3 a piece and they are so adorable. They make the perfect little add-on. So now I'm going to decorate with these cute bunny burlap chair wraps that I made last year. I absolutely love them and I love the little bunny white tail. And here is a close-up of my burlap chair wraps. So for my last decoration, I am doing this cute bunny cage decor tabletop decoration. I did use a lot of items from the dollar store and I used a couple items from Hobby Lobby as well. If this is something that you guys would like to see in a video, please leave a comment down below and let me know that you would like to see something like this. I would make another one for you guys just to show you how much I appreciate you and your support. other than that, thank you again so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope it gave you some inspiration. Have a great day.